JASO stands for Japanese Automobile Standard. SG, SH, SJ, SL, SM, SN. May kulang ba ako? Parang may kulang ako. Anyway, digit, W, digit. Diba ganun yun? W stands for winter.
Trust it, you never did.
This time pwede natin pigain. Woohoo! Come on, let's go. Dapat pala sa kabila na ako dumaan, ano? Can we go there? Yeah. Let's go. Oh my god! What the? What's up? What's up? What's up? Today ginising natin si SV. It's his moment. It's his moment na pumunta sa casa. There's one thing that I missed nung binili ko to. Ang dalhin siya nang dalhin siya sa casa nung inuwi natin siya, di ba? Dapat ang ginawa ko is pagdating sa bahay the next day, dapat dinner natin sa casa para meron akong startup. When I say startup, I know kung kailan nilagay yung oil, kung kailan yung maintenance niya. Meron ako pagbabasihan kung kailan yung next. In which, hindi ko ginawa kasi ang ginawa natin, bumiyay tayo. Anyway, okay lang naman yun. Today is the day na bibisita tayo sa casa. Punta tayong Makati, sa Suzuki mismo. Ang gagawin natin ay papalitan natin siya ng oil, engine oil, and anything na kailangan palitan. Maintenance naman yung gagawin natin. That would be engine oil, air filter, oil filter. This is going to be the startup. I would advise dun sa mga bibili ng second hand, pag inuwi nyo, kung wala kayong record na makuha or gusto nyo lang talaga na ang startup ay galing sa inyo, dalhin nyo sa casa or do it on your own, like changing the oil, changing the liquids, etc. Iba kasi yung alam mo kung kailan mo siya papalitan next. Right now, this is the moment of SV to visit the casa. Meron talaga ako intention na dalhin siya sa casa kasi I want them to do it first para meron siyang record. And then on the next ako nagagawa. For now, tignan lang natin kung anong meron sa casa, ano ba yung mga oil nila, ano ba yung ginagawa nila, how they do it, mga ganon. Saka check natin kung meron accessories dun kasi I'm looking for something. Ang gawin natin while nasa casa tayo, let's find X. Diba? Ikaw ba? Di mo hinahanap si X? Mamaya hanapin natin si X. Diba? Okay din naman hanapin si X eh. Let's go! Oh my god! Teka, I have cold stars. Ingat less. Kunyari mabilis ka, ano? Yung mga lumalabas, ewan ko lang kakayanin ng preno mo, diba? Kaya easy lang tayo, easy lang. Gawin natin pag clear tulad nyan. Galit si kuya, bakit siya nakasimangot? Baka ganun talaga siya, no? Anyway, gagawin natin today ay changing the oil. I'm going to tell you about oil naman. I've been discussing oil naman sa mga vlogs ko. Now dito sa big bike, it's a different story. Diba? It's a different story, so might as well do it, diba? Gagawin ko naman dito sa SB, same lang with my previous bike, which is 6 months. Pinapatunog ko yung rear tire. ABS pala to. Teka lang, tapusin lang natin to. Let's talk about oil mamaya. Engine oil. What I do, what I'm using. Now I'm not gonna tell you about the brand, I'm gonna tell you about the specs based on temperature, of course. Ako na lang yun, naka ABS. Paano tutunog yung less? Bukas na. Okay. Now let's go I said let's go faster pero it's a red. Pero let's talk about oil. Ano ba ginagamit ko? Pwede na. Payag siya. Okay. Hindi siya payag pero dito lang daw ako. Payag siya pero dito lang ako. Okay, so let's talk about oil. As I said kanina, yung ginagamit ko. First, let's define. Is it define? So let's define muna. What is API? API stands for American Petroleum Institute. Ano naman ang JASO? JASO stands for Japanese Automobile Standard Organization. Okay, for this bike, specific to this bike, ano ba ang mga pwede gamitin na nakalagay sa oil natin? Like for example, yung mga SJ, SH. So anong pwede dito? That would be SG, SH, SJ, SL, SM, SN. May kulang ba ako? Parang may kulang ako. Anyway, so yun ang mga pwedeng oil sa kanya. Ano naman ang ginagamit kong oil sa mga bikes ko? Specific to this bike, this is going to be the first. Pero meron na akong target, of course, based on my experience. Hindi ako nag-base kung ano yung nire-recommend na gamitin ng brand. Big sabihin kung ano recommended sa kanya, kung anong, di ba? Kung anong bibigay sa iyo ng kasa, yun ang gagamitin mo. Nagbe-base ako sa temperature, in which ano bang common oil na meron tayo? Meron tayong 1030, 1040, 1050. Pero hindi ako nag-focus sa first digit, which is W. Digit. Di ba ganun yun? W stands for winter. Teka. Kakanan tayo, kakanan. Yeah! Di ako nagbe-base sa first digit kasi wala naman tayong negative degrees Celsius eh. Ibig sabihin yung mga cold country weathers, mga ganyan. So we don't have that. So it's okay to use 0, 10, or 20. Yun ang nakikita kong digit. So it's okay. So let's not focus on the first digit, which is the winter. Let's focus on the second digit, which is the temperature, the high temperature. Okay, so ano ba ang 30? I don't use talaga 30. Okay, like for example, commonly na nakikita ko is 10W30. I don't use 1030 because medyo mababa yung kanyang limit to high temperature. I think sa manual nakalagay it's around 40 degrees Celsius, which is 40, was it 40 or 80? Which is sa mga long ride or sa traffic, I think aabutin niya yon. So I don't use the 10W30 because mababa yung kanyang range sa high temp. I usually use 40 or 50, in which 40 and 50 has higher temperature reach. Ibig sabihin, kaya nyo yung mga high temps natin. Like for example, paano ba? Like yung traffic natin sa Manila, yung mga long rides natin, yung mga loop natin, etc. So I don't use 1030, I use 1040, or I use 40 or 50. It doesn't matter. Yung first number, it doesn't matter. Second digit ako nagbe-base. So ano naman ang ginagamit ko? Often it's going to be fully synthetic. If walang available at hindi ko kaya, mini mababa yung budget ko, I'll go for semi. Pag wala talaga I'll go for mineral. Yeah. Pagdating naman sa big bike, depende kung ano yung oil na nilagay ko. Traffic, wait up. Later. Since ma-traffic, let's do a shoutout muna. We'll continue later. Sino ba yung papa-shoutout natin? That would be Simon Mendoza at ang kanyang mga anak. Si Zion and Luke. Revolve Supreme. What a name. Ano yun? Andre and Leslie. I think si Andre na-meet ko sa parking sa Ortigas. Tama ba ako? Yun yata tayo. Hello to you, Andre. Ernie Nagano. Hello to you, man. Benjamin Aquino. Ajimi Moto. Clicky Solid Gamer. From HAPH, alam ko from HAPH to. And to Mr. Glenn. Not Mr. Glenn. Glenn from Ortigas, na meet ko sa Ortigas building just a few nights ago. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, let's continue. As I was saying, I use 40 or 50 on the second digit because mas nakukuha niya yung high temps compared to 30. So that's why I don't use 30 because tingin ko mauubos na ako ng oil. Hindi yung mauubos, yung thickness ng oil. So baka maubos. Ang oil habang umiinit lalong yuminipis. So 40 and 50. Sana meron sa kasa. Kailan ko naman pinapalitan yung oil? Depende kung anong oil na nilagay ko. Kasi hindi ko to ginagamit yung bike. Nakatambak lang to sa bahay. For mineral, I go maximum for 3 months. For semi-synthetic, I go 5 months maximum. And fully synthetic, I go 6 months maximum. So ibig sabihin, kahit na hindi ko siya ginamit at umabot na ng 6 months and I have like inside the engine, I have fully synthetic, that would be 6 months. Tatanggalin ko siya. ginagamit man o hindi. Are we blinking? Yes, we are blinking. Okay, anyways. Paaway na naman ako nito eh. Paaway na naman tayo dito. Welcome to Makati. Ganito sila sa Makati. Ang hirap, no? Pipigain mo siya, tapos pipreno ka. Whew. This time pwede natin pigain. Woohoo! That's how you do it, dude. Iba talaga pag mag-isa ka lang, ano? Alam mo yung alone ka, mag-isa ka lang, kung ano-ano ginagawa mo. Kaya mamaya hanapin natin si X. I'm so excited to find X. Sana makita ko siya. Nakita niyo ba? That was 131. Ang huli kong tingin nung binaba ko yung gas, that was 131. Ilang seconds yun. Pwede ba tayo magbilang next time? Pero I got like adrenaline rush. Parang akong addict. Dito lang ako addict. Wala na iba. Sa motor lang ako addict. Ikaw, saan ka addict? Tigilan mo na yan, bro. Okay, so gas muna tayo. Kasi nagbibilang tayo eh. I don't know kung kailan tayo maubusan. Pwede na yan, 91. Yeah, kahit ano naman eh. Basta 91 pataas, it's okay. Parang sasali lang sa palabas, pa extra. Thank you, sir. That was fast. That was fast. Shoot natin yung bag. Kaya SSS use this kind of bag. Mabilis tanggalin, mabilis ibalik. Press it like you never did. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sarap. Ano ba nangyayari sa akin? Konting piga, bilis, konting diba? Ganun lang. Pero nandiyan na tayo. We're so near. Picture tayo ng bike, hanap tayo ng bike doon. Pero hinahanap ko talaga si X. Sana nga nandun si X para, diba? Mapakilala ko sa inyo si X. So near. Alam ko yan na yung kaliwa eh. Kakaliwa na ako dyan. Okay, so we're here. We need to take left. Left. Pwede mo mag-left? Hala, hindi pwede. Mali ba ako? Okay, let's U-turn na lang, anak ng akala ko ito yung flagship ng Honda, hindi pala yung nasa Guadalupe pala, diba? Yan, Wheeltech, yeah, maraming big bikes. You guys want to check, mga big bikes dyan. Yan, dito tayo, Suzuki tayo. Pasok na natin ito sa service mismo. Bayad ba ako? Wow, sana andito si X. Saan pupunta? Ayun si X, oh. Doon ako. Walang pila. So this is the service area of the Suzuki this shop. Ano bang pangalan sa shop na to? Okay, si May pala yan. That's May. Say hello to May. We're like following the girl. Gusto niyo bumili ng big bike dito, hanapin niyo si May. Okay, kasi pwede na. Sige, I'll go there na lang. Okay. So we just spoke to the guy. Sabi niya, hindi natin papalitan yung filter kasi 12,000 na yung nakalagay. Sabi ko nga visual, di ba? Magbabayad ako ng 500 to open the gas tank. Excuse me po. Anyway, so tayo na lang magbukas, di ba? Buksan na lang natin, tignan natin, which is pag-uwi natin. So right now, ang gagawin lang ay change oil. Oil lang gagawin natin. That's it. So stroll muna tayo. Let's find some bikes. Actually, madami. Look. Let's go. Have you ever wondered why maraming KTM sa Suzuki? Tanong natin mamaya. Hanap na tayo ng mga bikes. This is Kuya working on our bike. Kuya, ano bang mga nagawa natin? Change oil?
Change stock adjustment, check electrical.
Oh, and right now, ano yan?
I-check natin yung Suzuki Diagnostic system.
Ano to, Kuya? Ano tong excess na to?
It's for the bypass and then this one.
Bypass ng?
No, this is for the diagnostic test or DLC for
DLC.
ABS. ABS, and then this is for the computer.
Oh.
And then this one is for the bypass wires if you're going to make a duplicate of the key.
Okay. So okay lang ba itong kinabit kong battery tender? There.
So far okay naman siya.
Tama naman yung install ko. Nag-install ako ng battery tender para hindi bumaba yung kuryente ko pag nakatambay sa bahay.
Yeah.
This is the one.
That's correct. This one.
Yeah. Yep. You should have one pag hindi nyo ginagamit yung bike. Pwede ba mamingi sa'yo ng advice? Doon sa mga nag-DIY for our big bikes. So, anong masasabi mo? Is it necessary to bring the bike here sa casa, di ba?
It's very important, especially when you're still when the motorcycle is still under warranty or within the prescribed mileage, which is 1 year or 12,000 kilometers.
Okay, so right now kasi wala pa tayong 10,000, so nasa loob pa tayo ng prescribed mileage, which is 12,000.
It's very important kasi every time na punta kayo rito, depende yan sa langis kung kailan kayo babalik. Usually every 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers babalik kayo rito. We perform these tests.
Yun.
Stock, change oil, check the pads, check the tires.
Check everything.
Yes, scratches.
Scratch. What are we gonna do with the scratches natin? Titignan lang natin. Ayun, so sabi ni sir, dapat punta kayo dito sa prescribed mileage, 12,000. It's awesome to visit the casa kasi they have all the equipment that you need. Tama?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's check the oil. I was trying to find X kaso di ko makita. Sabi sa akin ni May, umalis na daw kanina si X. Saan siya pumunta? Tomorrow daw kasi merong track day. Free. Tomorrow kasi hindi ko ito mapopost today, di ba? So tomorrow daw will be like, tapos na. So si X ay wala dito. Nakalungkot, di ba? Nahanap mo si X tapos wala na talaga siya. Sad. Very sad. So pag nag-change ng oil, meron tayong oil filter palagi.
Yes, we recommend that you change the oil filter
Every time?
Every time we change oil.
Oh, so ano ba yung mga oil natin? Meron tayo dito. This one is semi-synthetic.
Yes, semi-synthetic. Right?
1040.
It costs 290.
290 lang, semi-synthetic.
Okay, and then for the SV650, this will require 2.7 liters.
2.7 liters, so tatlo kailangan mo.
Hindi mo siya mahuli.
Yeah.
And then,
See?
what's important with this oil filter is this has a check valve. Say for example,
Ano yun?
check valve inside.
Check valve. Meron siyang check valve.
Okay. Part number, one oil filter
For all Suzuki, siguro. So yun?
And then as I mentioned earlier, what's very special with this oil filter is there's siyang check valve.
What does
Once
it do?
na-reach yung pressure na hindi na kaya ng port, which is yung standard port ni oil filter, siyempre kailangan ibigay niya yung nararapat. Yung gagawin niya, bubukas.
Talaga?
Ibibigay niya yung flow talaga na kailangan ng engine para makapag-circulate na maigi.
Alam mo, naisip ko rin mag-DIY. Parang napaisip ako ni Kuya kung gagawin
Kung
ko.
mag-DIY kayo, siyempre, out of warranty na.
Yeah.
And then, much better kung bibili kayo sa amin ng
So OEM ang gagamitin. If ever gusto mo na DIY, OEM ang gagamitin mo.
Regardless kung anong brand lang as long as 10W40.
10W40. That's
Regardless.
API SL,
Yes.
like I mentioned kanina. Alright, so stroll muna tayo. Yaman natin si Surgeon. Music. So I'm gonna answer now. Bakit may KTM dito? May KTM dito kasi meron silang showroom doon banda. Tama? Nandun. So, ibig sabihin dito kini-carry Suzuki bikes and KTM, which is ang showroom ng Suzuki, this one. Showroom ng KTM nandun. Ang Kawasaki ay nasa kabila. We're done here. Yeah. Let's go. Sir, see you po. Thank you. There it is, guys. My first ever PMS experience with the SV. And we will be back at around 12,000. Or, hindi naman ako nagbibilang na mileage. Probably around 4 months. Kasi ang nilagay natin dito ay semi-synthetic 10W40. We're lucky we have 10W40. Meron naman silang fully synthetic. What's the brand again? Ano ba to? Check mo nga. Oh, that's the fully synthetic. It's around 600 pesos. Ang binayaran ko the basic PMS is 2,600. It's okay. That could take us around 4 to 5 months. So a piece of advice sa mga biker friends natin, visit the casa para sa thorough check ng inyong bike. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung diagnostic, diba? Chinek yung abs, yung engine. It's all healthy, di ba? Para tayo na CT scan. That's it for me. Medyo ma-traffic na. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Leslie Henley. I'll see you again in the next video, right? Keep riding, guys. Keep safe. That's all for now. It's green, it's green, it's green, it's green. Woohoo! Let's go!